welcome to the vlog. So I just finished my workout. I'm tired. My face is red as I don't know what. I'm trying to hydrate. Got my 10 here. But now that my workout is done, I'm gonna head to Target. The girls have been asking for a spa day for some time now, and I've been promising it to them, but I need to pick up a few things, so I'm actually gonna stop at Target when I leave here. Sweaty and all, yes, because the Target is nearby, so I'm not gonna go all the way home and come back. So you guys are coming with, you're gonna be a part of it. We're going to Target, we're gonna get a few things, then we're gonna head home. On the list to do, I'm gonna be in the kitchen a lot today, you guys, because I have to make some more elderberry syrup. We're all out, and I wanna make a soup and some granola, like some homemade granola. So I have quite a few things to do in the kitchen. So we will be in the kitchen a lot today, but I'm excited to hang out with you guys today. So let's just jump into this video and head to Target. So I made it to Target and I'm just looking for some spa stuff for the girls. Just to like soak their feet. So I usually get them the lighter ones, but I think I might change it up this time and get these. And they need some more toothpaste and some more mouthwash. We're gonna get bubble gum. Easter. The cutest little baskets. Oh wow, look at these. Don't need them. So I got what I need. I think I'm gonna go ahead and check it out and head home. Back home from Target. Excuse my hair because I had on my hat while I was running and I look crazy. But I'm about to make me a protein shake, and then I'm gonna get showered up, cleaned up, and then we are gonna start working on some of the things I need to get done in the kitchen. Need to make the elderberry syrup, and I'm gonna start making the granola and prepping the soup for dinner. So that's gonna be fun. But first, I need to get out of these clothes. So I'm gonna make my shake, jump in the shower, and I'll see you guys back in a jiff when I'm done. So as I was gathering my things for the elderberry syrup, I realized that I was about to be out of honey. So right now I'm about to make a quick run to this little mom and pop shop that has raw honey. So I'm gonna run up here real quick, get this honey, and then we will be starting our elderberry syrup. I made it back with the honey, so we're just gonna jump into getting this elderberry syrup done. It's really simple. Just get it in a saucepan, let it simmer for about 45 minutes, strain it, add your honey, and it's good to go. So let's just jump into making this elderberry syrup. elderberry syrup on the stove top. It is cooling. It has simmered for about 30 to 45 minutes. I have turned off the heat and I'm just letting it cool. Dinner is started, and now I think I'm gonna take a bubble bath. My shins have been a little bit sore from my run this morning, so I think I want to soak and just relax, unwind a little bit, read a little bit of my book. So that is exactly what we're gonna do. Not a bubble bath today. It's just gonna be more so of relax and relieve some tension and sore muscles. So I have a bath bomb from Lush that has like lavender and different essential oils for relaxation. So that is what I'm going to use today. So I'm going to go ahead and get my bath started. So I'm going to be using this bath bomb from Lush, and I'm going to also put in some of this Epsom salt for eases aches and pains, because my shins are really killing me right now. That was the best bath soak ever. It was very relaxing, very calming. So now the elderberry has already been sitting. It should be cool. We're gonna go ahead and strain it off, add our honey, bottle it up, have a spoonful, and I'm gonna make me a bowl of soup. And then it's gonna be time to just relax until bedtime. Go ahead and end this video here, you guys. Want to say thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.